Hello, I'm Cyril. Today I'll show you my custom 3D printed adapter for mounting a phone on a bicycle using a quadlock system. This setup combines a quadlock vibration isolator, a RAM mount tough claw, and a custom 3D printed part to securely interface the RAM mount with the quadlock adapter and then fit your phone. Here is a sequence captured using this mount. It holds the phone steadily, but on rough roads, vibration may cause a jello effect in the video. This setup works well for rental bicycles or electric kick scooters, as well as for capturing still images with the Mapillary app. Assembling it is simple. First, unscrew the RAM claw's ball joint and keep the screw. Second, disassemble the quadlock vibration isolation adapter. Third, use the nut from the adapter in the smaller hole and attach the vibration isolator to the star pattern side of the part. 4. Reuse the screw from step 1 to secure the 3D printed part to the claw. Make sure the thumb screw is facing the back of the assembly. 5. Finally, attach the quadlock mount to the vibration isolator. This mount is optimized for the Pixel 3a XL, and other phones may have parts of the mount in the frame, especially with wider angle views. The vibration isolator's range of motion is limited, and mounting the phone to a bike requires securing the phone to the adapter first, then attaching the claw to the bike. Despite its limitations, this setup works well for capturing street view imagery. If you're interested, check out the links to the Maker World and Onshape in the description. You'll find printable STLs and public Onshape files there. Thank you for watching.